What's up guys, Aravind from MrAravindTech. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First, let me introduce myself. I am Aravind and I am a certified ethical hacker, security analyst and upcoming cybersecurity person. So this is my 4 years dream to become a YouTuber. So that will came true now. So in this channel I will upload videos about tech, ethical hacking, programming, networking, unboxing, reviews and all other tech and cybersecurity related topics. So if you're interested on these things, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. So that's the quick intro of MrAravindTech. The exclusive videos are on the way for you. So if you don't want to miss those videos, the only thing you need to do is subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off, Aravind from MrAravindTech.